Hi guys, so today I'm gonna try to improve how I make videos off the workbench itself. So I got this Festool MFT table. It's sitting on a very massive bottom, but this is Festool MFT, so standard 96 millimeters between the holes. Now I got these two articulating arms, one like this, it came on this base, and I got another one like this. So this one I'll do in the next video, but for this one, this connector doesn't really fit. There's no way I can attach it to the table, but thankfully it's sitting on screws. So I disconnected them, sketched them out in Shaper, and printed this little prototype piece here, right there. It connects, fits perfectly. So I made a bigger prototype. It's printing now. Let's go check it out. So this is the model I came up with. You see where the arm is going to connect, and then these four posts are spaced 96 millimeters. They're 20 millimeter, actually 19.5 millimeter posts, and they should fit right into the table. It's printing right now. Let you know how it goes. Always fun to watch when she's doing all the work and I'm just drinking coffee. Oh yeah. One of the many moments of truth. Let's see if she fits. Nice! Wobbly. Well, but that should be okay. Alright, let me clean it up and connect this guy. Well, I didn't think about this. See, when it's loaded in the front and it's heavy, sticks out. I guess I could put weights here, but I gotta come up with a stupider solution. Let me go think about it. Alright, I think I did it this time. So what I did, I printed these, a little cut, put a bolt in there. See? See what I did? Now, it's printed with a draft, so as I bolt it in, these open up. And as is, it's pretty tight going in, which is a good thing. Alright, it's on. This connection is a little wobbly, but for now, it's good enough. I can slap my phone on here, and it's holding on tight, or I can slap anything else that has this kind of magnetic connection. Right, so it's a 1/4 inch. Hard to do it with one hand. Bam. Now I have a 1/4 inch connector. Alright, next I'll work on these guys. That's going to be fun too. Hey, if you like this kind of content, subscribe and like and comment and all of that. More to come. Thanks, guys.